My name is Luis Frias. I'm a Staff Sergeant E6 in the Marines. Medically retired. I served in Ramadi, Iraq, and had a suicide bomber blow about 5 feet away. Came back, ended up having over 8 different operations. I got vertigo. Some of the time when I'm in the shower, I close my eyes and tip over.
Jacuzzi Bath Remodel of Arizona would be honored to come here and crash your bath and make it a safe space so you and your family can have that peace of mind. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely, brother. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Baths for the Brave is a program that Jacuzzi's been running for about 6 years now. We go out and found worthy veterans who maybe had an injury, they have a need for a remodel. Oftentimes it's a removal of a bathtub. We go into the home, we do our typical one-day remodel process, and we do it at no cost to the veteran. And it's something we're really proud of because it's just a way for Jacuzzi to give back to the veterans in this country that we have.
Thank you so much for your service. We are also very grateful. And so the one thing that's difficult is a simple shower, which we all take advantage of.
Yes, it is. And I got a real bad vertigo as well. So sometimes, I've had the VA gives me the shower chairs, but being a big guy, I tend to break them. And now we're getting one, hopefully won't be able to break.
Very emotional. Why?
Yes. It's just, things were very stressful for a little bit, and it's just, seeing good things start coming out, it feels good.
This is his beautiful wife, Nicole, who's a Fox 10 viewer and my new BFF. Hi. So amazing to see your husband being thanked in this way because he does so much.
For sure, and he also helps other veterans too, so they're always helping each other.
So the reason Luis was chosen is, first of all, he's a Marine, and just getting to meet him and his family, number one, they're all about the military service, but then also really service in the community. Heard a really cool recent story about how Luis actually pulled over to help a 16-year-old put a tire on a car, which is really, just the kind of guy he is.
No one should be uncomfortable in the shower, right? That's your personal time. So this is our way to go in there and make sure that they're happy, they have a shower that they love, that it's easy for them to use.
I think this is going to be a game changer for him. So it's, again, enjoyable to be able to provide someone with some form of accommodation that they can use for the rest of their life in their home.
Oh, wow. It looks way nice. Thank you guys so much. Really, for real.
You ultimately will have the ability to sit in there with grab bars and a handheld and be able to feel confident that you can do that.